The US government has ran out of money. The two parties, Democrats and Republicans, have failed to reach an agreement on more than a couple of issues, including border security. To reach any agreement, the government requires 60 votes. Republicans control only 51 seats. For the remaining 9 seats, they need support from Democrats. There are differences of thoughts on the issues, and therefore the two parties cannot reach to an agreement. First question: when was the last time you had a disagreement on an issue with your parent or friend? Why did you have that disagreement? Second question: if you are asked to solve a disagreement between two of your friends, what are the steps you will take to reach an agreement? Let's discuss this in the classroom today.